Hello everyone. Every day we have tons of complaints, but we fear to make complaints as we think we might sound rude. Don't worry, we've got few phrases that will help you make polite complaints. Let's go. The first phrase we have for you is I'd like to make a complaint about. I'd like to make a complaint about. I'd like to make a complaint about the rice. It's too salty. I'd like to make a complaint about the air conditioner which isn't working in my room. I'd like to make a complaint about the bad taste of the soup. I'm sorry to say this, but. I'm sorry to say this, but. I'm sorry to say this, but it's stinking in the classroom. I'm sorry to say this, but there is a mouse in the cabin. I'm sorry to say this, but the water is leaking in your kitchen. I'm angry about. I am angry about. I am angry about a hair strand in my soup. I am angry about the elevator not working in the complex. I'm angry about the bad haircut. There seems to be a problem with. There seems to be a problem with. There seems to be a problem with the new dishwasher we got from your store. There seems to be a problem with the screen in my laptop. There seems to be a problem with the engine of the car. I am afraid there is a slight problem with. I am afraid there is a slight problem with. I am afraid there is a slight problem with the remote buttons. I am afraid there is a slight problem with your driving license. I am afraid there is a slight problem with the new pair of shoes. Sorry to bother you, but. Sorry to bother you, but. Sorry to bother you, but the classroom doesn't have a marker. Sorry to bother you, but the color of the dress is fading. Sorry to bother you, but my cab didn't arrive yet. I am not satisfied with. I am not satisfied with. I am not satisfied with the fitting of my uniform. I am not satisfied with the food at your restaurant. I am not satisfied with the online training program. There appears to be something wrong with. There appears to be something wrong with. There appears to be something wrong with the generator of the office. There appears to be something wrong with the script of the video. There appears to be something wrong with the painting. The next time you're making a complaint, remember all these phrases. I'd like to make a complaint about. I'm sorry to say this, but. I'm angry about. There seems to be a problem with. I'm afraid there is a slight problem with. Sorry to bother you, but. I'm not satisfied with. There appears to be something wrong with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow us on our Instagram.